Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we have done with the formulas and one basic sum of material variance. So now to make this concept more clear we are going to solve sums of material variance. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Now start.
Okay, so first sum we are going to calculate is sum number 14. The standard mix for 1 unit of a product is as follows. First underline this 1 unit, this is important. Materials are A, B and C, kgs 5, 2 and 3. Price per kg 7.506 and 15. The standard loss is 10% of the input. This 10%. This means कि अगर कोई भी मटेरियल आपने इनपुट किया होगा तो उसके ऊपर 10% का लॉस है. And there is no scrap value. Actual production was 270 kgs. Actual consumption of material and cost is as follows. Materials are A, B and C. Kgs 160, 60 and 100. Price per kg 8.25, 5.50 and 14.25. नाउ आपको ये पता कैसे पड़ेगा कि कौन सा टेबल एस क्यू या एस पी के लिए यूज होगा और कौन सा ए क्यू या ए पी के लिए. सो फॉर डैट अगर टेबल के ऊपर स्टैंडर्ड मिक्स लिखा हुआ होगा जो नीचे क्वांटिटी है वो एस क्यू होगा और जो प्राइस है वो एस पी होगा. बट हियर यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट एस क्यू बिकॉज दिस क्वांटिटी इज फॉर 1 unit. सो यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट दिस. और अगर कोई टेबल के ऊपर एक्चुअल कंजप्शन या एक्चुअल मटेरियल्स लिखा हुआ होगा तो उसके नीचे जो क्वांटिटी है वो ए क्यू होगी. सो दिस इज ए क्यू and this price is AP. So moving ahead, how to calculate this sum. So the first step you need to do is calculate total SQ for this. So for that 270 is multiplied by 100 and divided by 90 will give you 300. This 270 is the actual production mentioned in the sum, and this 100 as mentioned here that there is a loss of 10%. So कोई भी परसेंटेज का टोटल 100 होता है और उसमें से 10% माइनस करेंगे सो यू विल गेट 90. सो द फाइनल आंसर इज 300. ये टी एस क्यू मतलब टोटल स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी है. नाउ कैलकुलेट how much quantity is used for each product. So for material A, 5 is multiplied by 300 and divided by 10. So this will give you 150. This 10 is the total of these 3 kgs, 5, 2 and 3. So moving ahead, for material B, 2 is multiplied by 300 and divided by 10. So the final answer is 60. For material C, 3 is multiplied by 300 and divided by 10. So the final answer is 90. Now after this make table for standard materials. So write like this standard, and after this kgs, price per kg and total. For material A, kgs are 150 which we calculate above, and price per kg as mentioned in the sum which is 7.50. So the total is 1125. Like 150 is multiplied by 7.50 will give you this 1125. So now for material B, kgs are 60, price 6 and total 360. For material C, kgs are 90, price per kg 15 and the total is 1350. Now make total of these three materials and the last column. So the answers are 300 and 2835. Now as mentioned in the sum that there is a loss of 10%. So calculate loss on this first column, because ये जो दो कॉलम है इसके ऊपर लॉस कैलकुलेट नहीं होता है. सो लॉस ऑफ 10%, 300 का 10% होगा 30. सो राइट द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ दिस. सो फर्स्ट कॉलम का फाइनल आंसर है 270 और लास्ट कॉलम का जैसे कि ऊपर लिखा हुआ है सेम 2835. नाउ आफ्टर दिस मेक टेबल फॉर एक्चुअल कंजप्शन. सो एक्चुअल and kgs, price per kg and total. For material A, kgs are 160, price is 8.25 and the total is 1320. For material B, kgs are 60, price per kg is 5.50 and the total is 330. For material C, kgs are 100 and price per kg 14.25 and the total is 1425. Now again make total of this two columns, like this first column kgs and the last column. So the answer is here 320 and here 3075. Now again calculate loss on the first column. So loss of 10 percentage, तो 320 का 10% होगा 32. So write the final answer. So first column का final answer है 288 और last का 3075. Now after this the first variance we are going to calculate is material price variance. So for that AQ in bracket SP minus AP. Now for material A, AQ is 160 and in bracket 7.50 minus 8.25. So the final answer of this is minus 120 and in bracket U. ये U इधर इसलिए लिखा गया है क्योंकि आंसर माइनस में है, तो ये U लिखना कंपलसरी है. Moving ahead, for material B, AQ is 60, SP is 6 and AP is 5.50. So the final answer is 30. Now here as you can see that this answer is in positive integer, so you have to write like this. Okay, this U stands for unfavorable and this F stands for favorable. So moving ahead, for material C, AQ is 100 and in bracket 15 minus 14.25. So the final answer of material C is 75 and in bracket F. Now make total of these three materials. For that, minus 120 plus 30 plus 75. So the final answer is minus 15 and in bracket U. So material cost variance, here the formula is standard cost minus actual cost. This is the short formula to make this sum more easier. Well, if you want to use the formula which is mentioned in the book, you can. पर उसमें क्या होता है कि थोड़ा सा फॉर्मूला बड़ा हो जाता है, मतलब आपको एक एक मटेरियल के लिए कैलकुलेट करना पड़ता है. इधर अगर आप डायरेक्ट अमाउंट लिख देंगे तो भी इजी हो जाएगा, बट आंसर दोनों का सेम ही होगा. सो मूविंग अहेड, नाउ पुट द वैल्यूज फॉर दिस. स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्ट इज 2835 एंड एक्चुअल कॉस्ट इज 3075. गाइज ये जो हमने टेबल बनाया था और उसमें जो लास्ट कॉलम था उसका टोटल है. सो हियर द फाइनल आंसर इज minus 240 and in bracket U. Number 3 is material mix variance. So the formula is SP in bracket RSM minus AM. Here RSM is used because when we have made the table, तो उन दोनों टेबल का टोटल अलग अलग था, so RSM यूज होगा. So first calculate RSM for this. The formula of RSM is TAQ multiplied by SQ of one material divided by TSQ. So for material A, TAQ is 320, SQ is 150 and TSQ is 300. So the final answer is 160. For material B, 320 is multiplied by 60 and divided by 300. So the final answer is 64. For material C, TAQ is 320, SQ 90 and TSQ 300. So the final answer is 96. So after this, put the values for the formula. So for material A, SP is 7.50 and in bracket 160 minus again 160. AM जो इधर हमने लिखा है उसके अंदर AQ की ही वैल्यू यूज होगी. So the final answer is 0. For material B, SP is 6 and in brackets 64 minus 60. So the final answer is 24 and in bracket F. For material C, 15 and in bracket 96 minus 100. So the final answer is minus 60. Now make total of these three. So 0 plus 24 minus 60 and the last answer is minus 36. Number 4 is material yield variance. So the formula is standard cost per unit and in bracket AY minus RSY. इधर भी जो हमने टेबल बनाया था उसका टोटल अलग था, सो इधर भी RSY यूज होगा. सो फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्ट पर यूनिट फॉर दिस. सो the formula of standard cost per unit is standard cost minus standard yield. So put the values for this. Standard cost is 2835 and standard yield is 270. The last answer of this is 10.5, means the final answer of this. Now put the values for formula. Standard cost is 10.5 and AY which is actual yield which is 270. and RSY is 288. So the final answer is minus 189. After this, do a verification step, and for cost, material price plus material mix plus material yield. So put the values. Material price is minus 15, material mix is minus 36, and material yield is minus 189. So the final answer is minus 240 and in bracket U. Okay, so next sum we are going to calculate is sum number 20. In sum number 20, the standard material cost of normal mix of 1 unit of chemical X is based on, as underlined here, underline 1 ton. Chemicals are A, B and C. Usage in kgs 240, 400 and 640. Price per kg 6, 12 and 10. During a month, 6.25 tons of X were produced from chemical A, B and C. Consumption in tons 1.6, 2.4 and 4.5. Cost, here direct cost is mentioned, so you need to calculate price per product. So moving ahead, the cost is 11,200, 30,000 and 47,250. ये जो समय इसमें ऐसा लिखा हुआ है कि ड्यूरिंग अ मंथ 6.25 टन्स है वो प्रोडक्ट का प्रोड्यूस होता है. सो और जो 1 टन है उसके अंदर ये यूसेज है केजीस में. सो अगर 1 टन में इतने केजीस यूज हो रहे हैं तो 6.25 टन्स में कितने केजीस यूज होंगे, और फिर जो आंसर आएगा वो आपका होगा टोटल एसक्यू. और जैसे कि ये टेबल में मेंशन किया है कि कंजप्शन है टन्स में, सो यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट दिस टन्स इन केजीस. सो मूविंग अहेड, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दिस सम. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज 1 ton equal to 1280 kgs, which is the total of these 3 kgs, 240, 400 and 640. So अगर 1 टन में 1280 kgs यूज हो रहा है तो 6.25 टन्स में कितना यूज होगा, एंड द फाइनल आंसर इज 8000 kgs. सो दिस इज टोटल एसक्यू. नाउ अगर टोटल एसक्यू इतना है तो एक प्रोडक्ट के लिए या फिर एक केमिकल के लिए कितना क्वांटिटी यूज होगा. सो फॉर दैट, for chemical A, 240 is multiplied by 8000 and divided by 1280, and the final answer is 1500. For material B, 400 is multiplied by 8000 and divided by 1280, and the final answer is 2500. For material C, 640 is multiplied by 8000 and divided by 1280, and the answer is 4000. Now after this, make the table for standard materials. Standard, kgs, price and total. For chemical A, kgs are 1500, which we calculated above. Price as mentioned in the sum, which is 6, and the total is 9000. Means 1500 multiplied by 6, so the answer is 9000. For chemical C, kgs are 2500, price is 12, and the total is 30,000. For chemical C, kgs are 4000, price 10, and total is 40,000. So make total of these two columns, this kgs and here this last column. So the answer is 8000 and here 79,000. After this, make table for actual consumption. So एक्चुअल जो कंजप्शन था हमारा वो टन्स में था, सो उसको हमको केजीस में कन्वर्ट करना था. सो फॉर डैट 1 टन इक्वल टू 1000 kgs मीन्स वो पॉइंट में था, सो वी हैव डन लाइक दिस. अगर 1 टन में 1000 kgs यूज हो रहा है तो 6.25 टन्स में कितने यूज होंगे. सो द आंसर इज 6250. नाउ कैलकुलेट हाउ मच क्वांटिटी इज यूज्ड फॉर ईच केमिकल. फॉर केमिकल A, 1.6 is multiplied by 1000, so the answer is 1600. For chemical C, 2.4 is multiplied by 1000, so the answer is 2400. For chemical C, 4.5 is multiplied by 1000, so the answer is 4500. Now make table actual, kgs, price and total. For chemical A, kgs are 1600, which we calculated above. Price is 7, वेल वी कैलकुलेटेड दिस, क्योंकि जो टोटल था, मतलब जो कॉस्ट मेंशन था वो सम में वो है था 11,200। तो अगर 11,200 को हम 1600 से डिवाइड करेंगे, सो यू विल गेट 7. सो द प्राइस हियर इज 7. नाउ फॉर केमिकल सी, kgs आर 2,400, price 12.5 and the total is 30,000. So for price, अगर 30,000 को 2,400 से डिवाइड करेंगे, so you will get price as 12.5. For chemical C, kgs are 4,500, price 10.5 and total is 47,250. अगर 47,250 को 4,500 से डिवाइड करेंगे, so you will get the answer of price which is 10.5. Now make total of first column and this last column. So the answer are 8,500 and 88,450. Now moving ahead, the first variance. So the first variance is material cost variance. Here short formula is used, but if you want to use the formula mentioned in the book, you can. So putting the value for this, the standard cost is 79,000 and actual cost is 88,450. The final answer is minus 9,450. So moving ahead with the second variance. Second is material price variance. So the formula is AQ in bracket SP minus AP. Now for material A, AQ is 1600 and in bracket 6 minus 7. So the final answer is minus 1600. And for material B, AQ is 2400 and in bracket 12 minus 12.5. So the final answer is minus 1200. For material C, or you can say chemical, so AQ is 4500 in bracket 10 minus 10.5. So the final answer is minus 2250. So now make total of these three variants: minus 1600, minus 1200, minus 2250. So the final answer is minus 5050. So number 3 is material usage variance. The formula is SP in bracket SQ minus AQ. Now for material A, SP is 6, SQ is 1500 and AQ is 1600. So the final answer is minus 600. Now for material or chemical, SP is 12, SQ is 2500 and AQ is 2400. So the final answer is 1200. Now for chemical C, SP is 10 and SQ is 4000 and AQ is 4500. So the final answer is minus 5000. Now make total of these three, which is minus 600 plus 1200 minus 5000. So the answer is minus 4400. Now number 4. Number 4 is material mix variance and the formula is SP in bracket RSM minus AM. RSM इधर यूज हुआ है क्योंकि जो हमने टेबल बनाया था उसका भी टोटल अलग था, तो इधर RSM यूज होगा, और AM में AQ की जो अमाउंट है वो यूज होगी. सो मूविंग अहेड विद द RSM. So the formula of RSM is TAQ multiplied by SQ of one material divided by TSQ. For chemical A, TAQ is 8500, SQ is 1500 and TSQ is 8000. So the final answer is 1593.75. अगर आपका ये आंसर पॉइंट में आता है तो कोई चिंता की बात नहीं है, मतलब यू नो नीड टू वरी, इट कैन. सो फॉर मटेरियल और केमिकल बी, TAQ is 8500, SQ is 2500 and TSQ is 8000. So the answer is 2656.25. For chemical C, 8500 is multiplied by 4000 and divided by 8000. So the answer is 4250. Now put the values for the formula. For chemical A, SP is 6 and in bracket 1593.75 minus 1600. So the final answer is minus 37.5. For chemical B, 12 and in bracket 2656.25 minus 2400. So the answer is 3075. For chemical C, 10 in bracket 4250 minus 4500. So the answer is minus 2500. Now make total of these three variances, matlab these three materials. So minus 37.5 plus 3075 minus 2500. So the final answer is 537.5. So as this answer is in positive integer, write this. Now number 5 is material sub-usage variance. So the formula is SP in bracket SQ minus RSQ. क्योंकि टोटल अलग था तो इधर RSQ यूज होगा. RSQ में जो हमने RSM जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया था उसकी अमाउंट होगी. सो for chemical A, SP is 6 in bracket 1500 minus 1593.75. So the final answer is minus 562.5. For chemical C, 12 in bracket 2500 minus 2656.25. So the final answer is minus 1875. For chemical C, 10 in bracket 4000 minus 400 250. The final answer is minus 2500. Now again make total of these three. So minus 562.5 minus 1875 minus 2500. So you will get minus 937.5 as the final answer. Now after this, do a verification step. So for that, cost, material price plus material usage, write the final answer of this both. So material price का जो हमने फाइनल आंसर कैलकुलेट किया था वो था माइनस 5050 और मटेरियल यूसेज का फाइनल आंसर मतलब टोटल का आंसर था 4400. सो हियर द फाइनल आंसर इज माइनस 9450. Now for usage, material mix plus material sub usage. So put the values for this. Material makes 5037.5 minus 4937.5. So the final answer is minus 4400.